In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Docs as a PDF or Word file on a computer, whether you need a polished, uneditable PDF to share or a Word document that you can open in Microsoft Office. This quick walkthrough will cover everything you need and explain what each option means. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading to docs.google.com or drive.google.com. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that has the document you want to download. Next, open the Google Docs file you want. From Drive, just click the file to open it in Docs. If you're already in Docs, select it from your recent files. Inside the document, look to the very top left and click File. A menu will appear. Move your mouse over Download. Don't click yet, just hover. You'll see a list of available formats. To save a fixed, share-ready copy, choose PDF document, .pdf. This is ideal when you want your layout, fonts, and page breaks to look the same on every device. The PDF will open in most browsers and PDF viewers exactly as you see it now. If you or a collaborator needs to edit the file in Microsoft Word, select Microsoft Word .docx. This keeps your text fully editable in Word and many other editors. Just note that complex formatting, fonts, or page layouts may shift slightly when moving between platforms. After you make your choice, your browser will begin downloading the file. You may see a status indicator near the top right or bottom of the window, depending on your browser. Simply wait for the download to finish. When it's done, the file is saved to your default downloads location. Some browsers ask where to save each file. Others place it in a downloads folder automatically. You can open it from there, attach it to an email, or upload it to another service. If your browser blocks downloads or you don't see the file, check your download notifications or try the action again. That's all there is to it. You can repeat the same steps anytime you need a PDF or a Word version of any Google Doc. That's how you download Google Docs as a PDF or Word file. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.